the size of the rice. This is the typical size. It is not very big, it is not too small. And the taste is nice because villagers here do not often use chemical fertilizer. Today I would like to show you rice field nearby my house. Now it is the harvest season for Cambodians. Especially we harvest rice. As you know that rice is the main food for us. We often eat rice and with some types of dishes. When you come to visit Cambodia, you often see that we sell fried rice with pork or chicken or steak or beef. So we mix rice with other types of food. So rice is the main food for us. And as you can see in this video, now this is not ripe enough for us to harvest, but some fields near here people are harvesting. We are harvesting. And for villagers here, we do not often use chemical substances. We use only some types of natural fertilizer. And people here often grow the crop to eat for ourselves. We do not grow it for sale, just to eat for the dry season. And because today is the 16th of November 2024, November is the end of rainy season, and the temperature here is rather cold in the morning and very dry and hot in the afternoon. So during dry season, many areas in Cambodia we do not grow any rice, but we grow some other types of crops like cassava or something else. But the area near Tonle Sap Lake, people still grow rice because we have plenty of water. It is enough for us to use. We don't have enough irrigation system here, so we grow only one season per year, which is enough for us to eat for the whole year. Okay, so I would like to describe a bit about the quality of rice. As I mentioned earlier, that we often use only natural fertilizer, so the taste of rice here is very tasty. It is nice. It is rather sweet. And I'm not sure which country you are from, but if you live in a very similar tropical country like us, like Cambodia, you may grow rice as well, I suppose. So let's take a look at the view here. The temperature here during this time, it is rather dry and it is rather cold in the morning. The wind is blowing from the north. And it is the end of rainy season. I when I see the water like this, and during this season, after we harvest the crop, the rice, we often catch fish in the rice field. We can also find crab and snail, but for now we cannot see anything like that. But when many people come here, they will do that. They will fish. You can see the size of the rice. This is the typical size. It is not very big. It is not too small. And the taste is nice because villagers here do not often use chemical fertilizer. We just use very natural thing. If you are living in another country, please tell us. Just comment by telling what type of rice, or maybe you have other crops. This is the main, for us Cambodian, this is the main food